Prior to boarding his plane for his departure for Auckland last night, the president promised to further strengthen the Philippines' trade ties with New Zealand and Australia. The president, in fact, sees more investments from both countries. Bernard Tan reports.
President Noynoy Aquino, together with selected cabinet secretaries, left for New Zealand to attend a 5-day working visit. Members of the cabinet who joined the working visit were Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima, Department of Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala, and many more. The President will attend a bilateral meeting with New Zealand Prime Minister John Key. President Aquino will also visit the Filipino community in New Zealand to personally adhere to their needs and requests. After New Zealand, the President will visit Australia to attend a strategic partnership forum. This will strengthen the ties among the Philippines, New Zealand, and Australia.
Iisang direksyon po ang tuon ng layon natin sa biyaheng ito. Ang ihakbang pasulong ang ugnayan ng Pilipinas sa New Zealand at Australia. Kung tutusin, hindi po nalalayo ang makatangian at paninindigan ng kanilang mga bansa sa atin. Mula sa mayamang kultura at malalim na pananampalataya, sa pagpapahalaga sa mga kaibigan at pamilya, hanggang sa mataimtim na pagsunod sa batas at pagrespeto sa kapwa.
The President also said that with the help of other countries, the Philippines can easily withstand the challenges of poverty, climate change, and terrorism.
At tulad ng bawat lipunang nakasandig sa demokrasya, hangad natin ang pagkakaisa sa likod ng pagkakaiba.
President Aquino also assures the public that this working trip will bring foreign investments for the country, which will give additional jobs and livelihood for each and every Filipino.
Magandang pagkakataon po ang pagbisita natin ito upang higit pang pagtibayin ang mga relasyon nating pangkomersyo. Kasama po sa delegasyon natin ngayon ang ilang negosyante Pilipino upang pag-aralan ang mga kasunduan sa pamumuhunan na maaaring umusbong sa pagitan ng Pilipinas, New Zealand at Australia.
For People's Television, this is Bernard Tan reporting.